Made a mistake logging hours in Jira? Here is exactly how to delete that work log in under a minute. I will show you the exact steps. Open your project, find the task, access the work log, and delete it. All right, let us start. First, go ahead and open your Jira account. Just log in like you normally would. You're probably already there, but make sure you are on the main dashboard. This is the starting point for everything we are about to do. Now, look at the left side panel of your screen. You will see a list of your projects. Click on the project that contains the task with the incorrect hours. It is usually listed by name, so find the right one and give it a click. This will open up the project view for you. Once you are inside the project, you will see a list of tasks or issues. Scan through that list until you find the specific task where you logged those wrong hours. Click on that task to open it up. This is the one we need to fix. And here is the thing. As soon as you click it, a panel will slide in from the right side of your screen. Do not worry, this is exactly what should happen. That panel is where all the details for that task live. We're going to use it to find the work log. So inside that panel, I want you to scroll down a little bit until you see a section labeled Activity. It's usually near the bottom of the panel. Click on Activity to expand it. This is where Jira keeps a running record of everything that has happened on this task, including comments, status changes, and yes, your logged work. Now, pay attention to this one. Right there under Activity, you will see a button that says More. Click it. This will reveal a small drop-down menu with a few extra options. It is a clean way for Jira to keep the interface from getting too cluttered. From that drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Worklog. This will open up a dedicated view that shows you every single entry of time that has been logged against this task. Each entry will show the date, the hours, and often a brief description of what was done. Now you are looking at your work logs. Find the specific entry that you want to remove. It might be the one you entered by accident or the one with the wrong number of hours. In my experience, you will see a little trash can icon or a delete option next to each entry. Click on that. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you are sure you want to delete this work log. This is Jira making sure you do not accidentally erase important data. Just click Delete again to confirm. And that is it. Gone. In just a few seconds, you went from being stuck with incorrect logged hours to confidently cleaning up your timesheet. If you ever need to do this again, just remember the path. Project, task, activity, more, work log, delete. It becomes second nature pretty quick. Thanks for watching.